Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, welcome to our channel Dynamic Code. In this video, we're gonna create this beautiful navigation bar by using HTML and CSS. If you like the video, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Now, let's get started. So after typing the basic structure of the HTML and giving it a title such as a navigation bar, then you need to create a unordered list and set the list items with a anchor link, and I am setting the default link, and then copy the number of list items as many as number of times as you can. Then give some names. And download. So the result of this code will be a simple list which will be writing a home, services, contact and download. So now we need to move to CSS. Now here comes the main part of this video. Now first of all, you need to change the browser's default margin to 0 and padding to also 0, and then you can move to the unordered list and set its overflow to hidden and its background to black, which will give the following result. And also set the list style type to none. And now let's move to the list item in the unordered list. Then here set the float of the list items to left or right as you want. You can set that. Then now move to the anchor tag, and now in the anchor tag just set its display to block and its color to white. And after that, you can remove this underline. You can do one thing. You can set the text decoration to none, and also you can set padding to 40 pixels and 16 pixels, which will make spaces between them. Now the final thing is, if you want to change the color when you hover the pointer on these items, then you can set that when you hover on the anchor tag, then its background should change to the color. Then you can see the color is changing when I hover on these list items. It's not really visible, or let's set it to blue. Now you can see when I hover these items, the colors are purely visible. Now to move this download button to the right side, you can do one thing. Just give this download list a class of right. Then after, you can set the dot right, and its float should be at right. Then after saving it, and you will see that the download button will be moved to the right. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do subscribe our channel, and meet you in the next video. Bye bye.